I'm K. Sushil Kaul, Head of the Department, PG Department of English, Dr. C.S. Rao PG Center, Sri Vayan College, Narsapur. Today, I'm trying to present the concept of creative thinking for optimal education. So, in this regard, I may say that traditionally we have focused on one aspect of learning and neglected another aspect of learning. We know that the human brain has two parts, two hemispheres. Old research tells us that the right brain is related to rational thinking and the left brain is related to artistic thinking. But modern research tells us that it is reverse. So we can't depend on research all the time. Some researchers, they tell that the right brain is creative. Some others say that the left brain is creative. So here there is a one contrast between both of them. So according to the old researchers, it is that the right part of the brain is involved in rational thinking, analytical thinking, critical, convergent, practical, and receptive thinking. Whereas the left part of the brain is involved in aesthetic, artistic, creative, divergent, imaginative, and expressive thinking. So this debate is unending. It will go on. But anyway, I will try to present to you that the idea of optimal education implies that we have to use both the left part of the brain and the right part of the brain and encourage the students to develop both the parts of the brain. So suppose if it is the divergent thinking and the convergent thinking ideas. So what is divergent thinking? Divergent thinking is like as I am drawing here, thinking away from the center, moving away from the center. So it is like thinking out of the box. It is thinking out of the box. It is moving away, outwards. On the other hand, the convergent thinking is, it is moving towards the center. So it is, if it is the movement inwards, then it is rational thinking, focused thinking. So this focused thinking is, let us say, rational or scientific generally. And on the other hand, artistic, creative thinking, novel ideas, imagination, that is related to divergent thinking. So these two parts of the brain must be developed, developed in the children, in the students. So we need to plan for a syllabus which is both a development related to, let us say, what you say, wholesome growth of all the parts of the brain. That is the left part of the brain and the right part of the brain. So I try to very briefly present in 2 or 3 minutes the concept of creativity. As we see here in the picture, we have on the one side words, numbers, lines, logic, structure, and analysis. On the other hand, we have colors, associations, images, rhythm, imagination, and shapes, right? Okay. So these are the two ways of thinking generally in all of us. So we need to blend all of these aspects, that is both the right brain aspects and the left brain aspects, so that we can have a wholesome educational development or emotional or any other kind of wholesome growth that we want our students and children to have. Thank you.